How can the cleaning result be verified? When is it considered good? To monitor the cleaning result, precise analytical methods are essential. Contaminants like flux or particles can significantly affect the reliability of electronic assemblies. At ZESTRON, we use a wide range of cutting-edge analytical methods to provide you with reliable results and insights. In addition to visual inspection using an optical and digital microscope, ion chromatography is used for a detailed cleanliness evaluation of ionic contamination. FTIR Spectroscopy aids in the identification of organic residues on surfaces. Moreover, there are ZESTRON Quick Tests, such as the ZESTRON Flux test and ZESTRON Resin test, which provide simple and fast evaluations of flux and resin residues. This gives you a clear overview of your assembly's condition, allowing you to take targeted actions. Trust ZESTRON for a reliable cleaning process. Contact us to learn more about custom solutions for your cleaning needs.